Hello friends, welcome back to Sonia's Space, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this celery refreshing green juice. Green is life, as they say, so this celery green juice will help to cleanse your liver and intestine, detoxify your body, help to improve digestion and promote overall health. This green juice is a powerhouse of nutrients that can have a profound impact on your well-being. So to make this juice, start by washing your vegetables properly, and after that cut your vegetable into bits to make it easy for your blender to blend, and then blend it into fine particles, after which you strain it. Celery contains numerous vitamins and minerals that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds that may support digestion. Celery also helps to improve learning and thinking. Cucumbers are good for hydration. They help to regulate blood pressure, good for digestion, reduces blood sugar, and also very helpful in weight loss management. Apples are very good sources of nutrients, including fibers and vitamin C, and they have good antioxidants which can help to support healthy digestion and weight management. Kiwis helps to maintain gut health. They are high in vitamin C, provides vitamin E, they have antioxidant power, they have good potassium, and are rich in vitamin K. Parsley may help to stimulate the appetite, improve digestion, increase urine production, and increase menstrual flow. Lemons can help improve your skin health, lower your risk of kidney stones, enhance iron absorption, bolster your immune system, and reduce blood pressure. Ginger helps to relieve constipation and aid digestion. Antioxidants and other nutrients in ginger may help to treat infections. Ginger may also help to reduce the risk of diabetes and other health problems. So this is Sonia's Space. It's always a pleasure to have you here. Thank you for always choosing to watch my videos. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and God bless you as you do. The list of ingredients is in my description box, so do check it out. Drinking green juice is an excellent way to set yourself up for a healthy, productive day. Regular green intake may reduce inflammation as well as support heart and brain health. So going green will definitely help to improve your health in no small way. So friends, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.